Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing good. So today, I am going to tell you a new sound. And which sound is that? That's the sound we make when we eat some yummy food. Like when I eat ice cream, I always take a bite and I say, mmm. Yeah, when you like some food and you eat your favorite food, you make a sound like mmm, like yum. Yes, so this is the sound we are going to learn today. Do you know there is an animal who loves to eat banana? Can you guess who's that animal? Mostly you see them in the zoo and on mountains. Do you want to see? Do you want to see? Yay! A monkey! Monkey! What is this? Monkey! Hi! Hi, hi, hi! Do you know what was the action of monkey? What does a monkey do? Quack, 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 like this, I guess, right? Do you want to do it again? Do it. What is the action of monkey? Yes, you're doing it right. This is, what is this? Monkey. Monkey. Yay. Do you want to see some more pictures? Now I'm going to share a yummiest fruit, and that is, what is this? Mango. Yay, this is mango. What is this? Mango. It's so sweet and so juicy. Whenever I eat this mango, I say, mmm. What do I say? Mmm. Rub your tummy and say, mmm. Yay, this is mango. Very good. What do you see at night up high in the sky? What do you see? A sun? No. Something white and so beautiful. That is moon. Wow, isn't it so nice? Shiny moon. Very good. Moon. Very nice. And I'm having a cute little small. What is this? You tell me now. I'm not going to tell you. What is this? It's a mouse. Very good. What is this? It's a mouse. Mouse. Say it with me. Mouse. Well done. There's so many things we have seen starting from Do you want to see how looks like? Do you want to see? Yes, this is how looks like. This is This is What is this? Say it with me, everyone. Do you want to know how you are going to trace this? You are going to hold your pencil like this. Okay, with 3 fingers like this, you are going to hold your pencil, and then you're going to start from here, top. Okay, and then you're going to start, go down. Don't pick up your pencil. Go back up, little curve, and come down. Stop. You're not going to pick up your pencil again. Okay, go back, curve, and then go down, and that's it. This is sound. Can you see a small monkey and a mango here? Isn't it so nice? Yes. Okay, so when you are going to trace it as it is from here, from the top, and you're not going to pick up your pencil in between, okay, in the middle of tracing you're not going to pick up your pencil. See, my pencil is like this. I'm not picking up my pencil. See? You're not going to pick up your pencil. Very good. This is sound sound So now you know how to pronounce and how to trace sound Okay, so now let's sing a rhyme. Do you want to sing a rhyme? The mom and dad makes many meals. The mom and dad makes many meals for the hungry children. Yay! It's so nice, right? Do you want to sing with me again? Let's sing it again. Mom and dad makes many meals. Mom and dad makes many meals for the hungry children. Yay! Do you want to sing it again for the last time? Let's go. The mom and dad makes many meals. The mom and dad makes many meals for the hungry children. Yay! So now you know the song of how to trace and how does it looks like, and there are so many words of sound, right? See you in next class. Practice tracing and recognition of sound okay, and do let me know which is your favorite food when you eat and you say okay. See you. Allah Hafiz.